Luxury fashion or amazing deals online can be tempting, but when you see a site like jsvstore.com, you've got to ask, is this a real store or a risky fake? Let's break it down. So JSV Store presents itself as an online shop listing various products, sometimes marketed like a boutique or fashion store with enticing prices, but that doesn't tell you whether it's trustworthy or safe to buy from. On the surface, it uses HTTPS encryption, so there's a padlock icon when you visit, meaning your info is encrypted in transit. The site looks like a normal e-commerce store with product listings and a checkout process. These are basics you expect from any online store, but they don't guarantee trustworthiness by themselves. Now, here's why you should be very cautious. Extreme low trust and scam indicators online. Multiple scam review sites label jsvstore.com as untrustworthy based on hidden contact info, fake product descriptions, or suspicious pricing tactics. The site reportedly offers unrealistically low prices that don't match market value, a classic lure for scam shops. There's no genuine customer review history, no valid address, and non-existent customer service on record, according to multiple analysis sites. Many shoppers who order never receive products, and tracking info is often fake or dead, another common scam pattern. These are all textbook red flags for a fake or high-risk online store. So is JSV.com a real online boutique? Right now, it looks high-risk and likely fake, with hidden owner details, unbelievable pricing, no verified customer reviews, and multiple scam reports online. This site does not have the credibility of a legitimate luxury or boutique retailer. Avoid buying from it until clear, verified customer experiences prove it trustworthy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.